Hey guys, over here in Raytown, looking at these fourplexes. They're all open, so we're going to get to take a look at the inside of all of them. So stay tuned. Let's check it out.
Yeah, the papers.
Sure.
Yeah.
All right, so this is the second unit on the bottom floor. How long have you lived here, sir?
5.
5 years?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Looks pretty straight. I mean, I haven't seen anything that's again, no cracks. The ceilings all look pretty straight. Looks like they all have these little bar areas, so that's neat. Here's the kitchen in this one. Got the refrigerator. Got room for a kitchen table right here. The windows, it looks like they've been replaced, so they're replacement windows. That's good. Don't have to worry about that. Here's your laundry again for this unit. Hot water heater, furnace, so each unit has its own. That's good. Back door to the outside. We'll take a look at the outside here when we're done with the inside of all the others. And go check out the bedrooms. So these units will rent for about $600 a month. And I think they're asking $208 for this, right around there. So that's not a bad little deal. 4 units, $600, $2,400 a month income. Carpet looks pretty good in here too. Trim is all straight. I don't see anything tore up. Again, so far I've probably seen at least 5 other investors look at this property today. So it is a hot market. Here's the tub and the shower. Good neutral white color around here. It all works. Toilet. Here's the other bedroom. Looks like the master. So you got the closet. HVAC, supply vent. Got textured walls in here. Good neutral paint color. Again, carpet's a little worn, but livable for sure. So yeah, that's unit number 2. The top unit, top right unit. This kind of gives you a little better idea of how much space is up here. They're all pretty much exactly the same with the paneling. It's got this carpet in here is good. It's also got the little bar here. Ceilings, no stains, no roof leaks. This has got some tile, and it's updated like the one right below it with the red cabinets. It's got a stainless fridge, gas range. Pretty good shape. Here is the laundry right here. There's no washer and dryer in this one yet. And the mechanicals. Being upstairs, you have a set of stairs and a way down. So like if somebody wanted to rent this, they can put their grill down there. There's all the AC units. We'll get to those here later. Again, the windows, replacement windows. All right, this is the first bedroom. Good carpet. HVAC supply. Bathroom. Shower tub. Combo. Looks good. Tiles is all livable. Nothing major. It's been replaced right there, but it still looks fine. Exhaust fan works. And this is the master. 2 bedrooms again, just like the rest of them. Carpet looks great. Thank you.
Huh?
See you later. Yeah, nothing to be alarmed about so far. We'll go over here to the last one.
That's my mom.
Are
Hi.
apples healthy?
That's my mom.
Are you sure?
Yep, sure am.
Good job.
This is the last unit. I know, I see it. I see it. Hi there.
Hi, how are you?
Good, I'm Dustin. I'm just here to look around a little bit.
Who's this on?
Yeah, I'm at the end, so I don't. Hopefully, there's nobody behind me.
Hey, Google Gaga. I'm cereal. Choose me.
How you doing?
No, don't choose cereal. I'm oatmeal. Choose me.
Hi. This is the first bedroom in the front of the unit. You going in there? Sorry. Carpet looks good. No stains on the ceiling, so no roof leaks. Here's the bathroom. Shower looks same white tile in all of them, it looks like. Tub shower combo. And then moving into the back bedroom here. Looks like they're using this one as the master in this house. They're both about the same size, so I guess it's just a matter of which one you want. You want to be in the front part of the house or the back? In this room. All right, go check out the kitchen. Here's their little bar that's in here. I like that feature. Very sellable. Here's the kitchen. So nice big kitchen table. So you got room for kitchen tables in these that are, you know, even that big right there. Cabinets, sink, refrigerator. And then back here is the laundry. Where the mechanicals are again. Hot water heater says 06. There's the furnace for this one. And that's it. Again, I don't see anything. There's a little bit of stain here from a hot something on the countertop, and all of these units have occupants, so it's another good thing. All right, so we're going to take a quick look around the outside. It's got brick front, as you can tell. All these windows, as I mentioned, were replacement windows. Got wood shake on the side. Need some, look like some little bit of paint on the soffits there. That's about the only thing I've seen that really needs a lot of maintenance over here, is just that right there on the soffits. These walls, I don't see a crack in this foundation wall. And it's straight. Probably want to get that on out away though from the foundation even further. Like I always tell everybody, at least 6 feet. That's what the foundation guys will tell you too. You know, 10 would probably be better. So your AC units, some of them are, you know, a little older. That one's newer. They're all right here. You can see there's separate units for the electric. That's good, so everybody pays for their own. And then it's got that wood shake siding again. This siding over here has been replaced, so that's new siding that they had put on. Got a little chicken house right there. It's kind of cool. I'm sure you could probably have chickens and just no roosters. People in town tend to frown upon the rooster. There's a couple of spots where it needs some touch up on the wood shake siding. That's about it though. There's one right there.
You have a little bit different whereas if you had you do these and all that.
That's it. I'd say all in all, this one's a winner.